You can add a link to websites, Google Files, right to words or images in any of your Google Files. So you want to first highlight the word or words that you want to add the link to. Come up to the Insert menu, choose the link option here. Notice you can also use Control-K, the shortcut. Another way to do this is to highlight your words and come right up to the Insert Link icon shortcut here. The last option is once you have your words highlighted, you can right-click and choose Insert Link. So you can see there's many ways to get to this option. Once here, you'll see the search box. I'm going to start to type in Clark County. Notice it'll start to give me options of what it thinks I might want to put here for the link. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Clark County, school, and now there's ccsd.net. And click on this and it automatically applies it for me. For images, you would just right-click on your image, choose the Insert Link. You'll see the search box come up. I'm going to go ahead and type in the link to my website here to add to this image. Now I will need to click Apply here since I didn't choose it from the drop-down list, which I could, but I'm going to go ahead and click Apply so you can see that option. So now when you click on any of these, you'll notice with the words, it automatically changes the font to blue and underlines it. So you can left-click on it, then click, and it'll open up your link. Notice here, when you left-click on this, you'll see the options to where you could copy the link, you can edit the link, or you can remove it. If you click on Edit Link, I could also change this to say different words in here. And notice now when I click Apply, it actually changed that to say the CCSD website. So those are several different options you have to link websites and Google Files to words and images in your Google Files.